Turned out into concept, giving more than they believe. Billboard or a hashtag, same heart, same message. If they feel it in their chest, that's presence. From a quick thought to a long run, from a small spark